Tokot baboy. Check natin. So kita nyo naman, actually right now, umaambon lang pero pabugso-bugso yung ulan. Pero like literally, over the past 2 weeks, walang tigil yung ulan dito sa Metro Manila. And it's really unfortunate kasi yun nga, konting ulan lang, babaha na agad sa maraming parts ng bansa. And ang daming naapektuhan. I mean, ako, fortunately, personally, hindi pa ako experience ng baha. And, you know, I'm really fortunate that way. Pero madami sa mga kababayan natin na pag dumarating yung rainy season every single year, kinakabahan na sila. And, dude, it's a really hard way to live your life. Na every single time may konting ulan, every single year na darating yung rainy season, kabado ka na naman. It's like, wala kang peace of mind, you know? I don't even know kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga taong regularly binabaha. Isipin mo yung bahay mo, kung saan nakatira yung pamilya mo, kung nasan lahat ng gamit mo, babahain. Dude, that's hard. What is going on here? Whoa. But as I was saying, ang laking pinsala bro, ang laking sakit sa ulo ng mga baha na yan. And you know, I saw this post on Instagram about how much the Philippine government has actually spent on these flood control projects para maibsan yung yung mga baha, di ba? Pero parang wala nangyayari, bro. Actually, parang mas lalo lang lumalala yung baha. Because as we all know, climate change is only going to accelerate from here. It's only going to get worse from here. So, kung itong mga flood control projects na itong mga ghost projects na to, yung mga taxpayers' money hindi na-suspend ng maayos, things are only going to get worse from here for everyone. And I feel like it's pretty funny na akala ng mga nasa itaas, yung mga privileged na tao na akala nila hindi sila affected by these things. Pero kung isipin natin, di ba, pag bumabaha sa isang lugar, sa Metro Manila for example, hindi mo magamit yung mga roads, hindi natin magamit yung mga bagay-bagay, nasususpend yung classes, nasususpend yung trabaho. In short, humihinto or bumabagal yung galaw ng economy. Diba? So, hindi natin na-maximize yung growth potential ng bansa. Kasi, every time na bumabaha, every time na may typhoon or whatever, kailangan natin ihinto yung paggalaw ng economy para lang i-cater yung... Kasi nga, baha, wala tayong magawa, diba? So, I feel like kung walang baha, tuloy-tuloy lang yung galaw ng ekonomiya regardless of whether it is sunny or rainy. Diba? Kahit gaano pa kalakas yung ulan, if there are proper safeguards in place para hindi magbaha, if there are certain, you know, proper controls in place para hindi magbaha, then tuloy-tuloy lang yung galaw ng buhay. Diba? Things don't have to stop. So, dude, you know, if you actually want to make more money as a business, Or if you're a government and you want your people as productive as they can be, then gusto mo tuloy-tuloy lang yung galaw ng economy, di ba? It's like, dude, come on. That's economics 101. Pag suspended yung classes, hindi makapag-aral yung mga bata. Pag suspended yung trabaho, hindi wala magkatrabaho. Lahat, nakahinto, di ba? So, lahat affected. Hindi lang yung mga direktang nababaha. Yung buong bansa naapektuhan. And then, syempre, yung mga damages rin. E di mag-allocate na naman ng pera doon. Di ba? Na in the first place, dapat yung mga funds na nakalaan na sa flood control projects, dapat inaayos. Like, doon dapat ginagastos yun. Dude, I don't know. Parang minsan, ang daming tao dito na walang common sense. And I don't know kung wala lang talaga silang common sense or they just do not give a shit. Yung mga taong responsible sa mga bagay-bagay or these flood control projects, diba? Kasi, dude, things are only gonna get worse and nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's going to change. No positive change is going to happen kung itong mga taong nakaupo walang gagawin or hindi nila gagawin yung trabaho nila ng maayos. If they're just going to continue leeching off of the people, then things are only gonna get worse from here. Diba? And that, my friend, is really unfortunate. Itong mga baha na to and stuff like that, natural disasters, alam naman natin na tropical country ang Pilipinas and, you know, yung geographic location ng Pilipinas nasa, you know, bukana ng Pacific Ocean. So, naturally, alam na natin tong lahat, darating ang typhoons. Diba? Babagyohin talaga tayo. And, you know, we've known this as a fact for decades. Di ko alam, di ko maintindihan bakit hanggang ngayon binabaha pa rin tong bansang to. Well, actually, alam ko kung bakit. Kasi yung mga taong responsable, they just do not give a shit. Pang sariling interest lang yung inuuna nila. So, walang mangyayari. Diba? Nilamon na sila ng greed and selfishness. And something's gotta change, man. Kailangan may ibang bago kasi sayang yung potential natin, bro. As a country, as a nation. Sayang. Filipinos are very resilient. You know, we're hardworking, we're very talented, creative, ang dami nating positives. Pero at the same time, yung ibang positives na yun, positive traits natin, nagiging detrimental then for our progress. Like for example, we're very, as I said, resilient people. We're very adaptive. Sometimes we like to shrug things off kasi it is what it is, you know. Pero that's not good enough, bro. When things aren't good enough, then they're not good enough. You have to demand for better things because you know you deserve it. You deserve good things in your life, diba? Hindi pwede na, bro, like okay lang babahin tayo every year. That's not okay, bro. That's not fine. May langaw dito sa loob ng kotse. Actually, hindi ko alam kung langaw ba ito or some sort of other insect. So anyway, gusto ko ng lugaw kasi 2 linggo na umuulan. There's this place sa Las Piñas na pinupuntahan namin before. And we'll go there today and see how things are going for them. hopefully they're still open. Hopefully they're even open today kasi nga yung mabagyo. If not, then hanap ako ng ibang chibog. Pero yeah. Gusto ko lang mag-vent sa inyo bro ng aking mga hinanakit. As I said, hindi ako personally affected ng floods. Diba? I'm very fortunate like that. Pero that doesn't mean that I do not care about others who are affected by it. You know? Kasi, dude, itong mga tao to, these are our people. And they deserve better things in their lives. I suppose minsan kasi, you know, when you want something, obviously itong mga tao to, ayaw naman nila sa baha, di ba? But sometimes when you want something, it's hard to, ako nga rin, minsan I'm having a hard time. It's hard to put into words the things that you want. Ganun na lang, okay? Especially when you're really busy with trying to survive. Isipin mo, you're always on survival mode. Hindi ka na makapag-isip for yourself. Or hindi mo na kayang i-voice out yung sarili mong opinion, sarili mong ideas. If you're tired from just trying to survive, from trying not to die, then you really wouldn't have much time for anything else. Ladybug pala yung lumilipad-lipad dito kanina. Bro, sana dumating yung araw na yung mga taong nakaupo, yung mga taong responsible for these flood control projects, sana dumating yung araw that they actually do their jobs and that they spend our money, the taxpayers' money, properly to actually elevate our standard of living. As I said, bro, nag-vent lang ako because, well, someone's gotta say something. Kahit puro reklamo lang pwede kong gawin at the moment, at least magreklamo man lang ako, di ba? Kahit hindi ako yung naapektuhan. I'm complaining on behalf of the people affected by these floods. Kasi baka hindi na sila makapagreklamo. Because they're too busy just trying to survive. Hey, mamacita. Despite all of these problems, bro, I still love this country. I love my people. Maraming problema talaga, and it is what it is, right? Pero hindi natin masusolusyonan ng mga problemang to kung wala tayong gagawin. And, you know, first things first is being able to acknowledge the problems and finding solutions for them. Anyway, I guess nasabi ko na lahat ng gusto kong sabihin, so check back in with you pag meron ng lugaw. Alright? See ya. What's up, bro? So, nandito na ako sa Telongs. Ito sa Las Piñas since 2014. So, last time na kumain ako dito, maybe like last year. And bago na yung place nila ngayon. Look. So, ganyan na siya. Looks really nice. Dati para lang silang like kanto style na lugawan. Pero ngayon, looks like a proper restaurant. Good for them. Good for them. Business must be doing good. And dami nilang parking, so it's sweet. Anyway, lugaw. Alright? See you inside. Mali sarili. Kumakain. Okay, thank you. Ang ganda naman ng place niyo. Kailan po kayo nag-renovate?
Last po, May. Bali po na
Last
po.
May? 18? Nice. Kasi last year na kumain ako dito, yung ano pa eh, dati pa. Apo, last year.
Pero kasi sir kami ngayon, 15 to 20 minutes waiting.
Okay lang. Busy kayo?
Ano po pagka-ulam?
Ate, ano yung lugaw baka? So, lugaw lang siya na may baka?
Opo.
Sige po, isa pong ganun.
Isa po?
Apo. May ano pa rin kayo ate? Lumpiang toge? Isa, sige po, dalawa. Dalawang piraso. Tsaka, tokwat baboy please.
Isa po.
Isa lang po. And then, pwede mong palagay ng nilagang itlog?
Isa po.
Apo. Yun na lang po muna.
Okay. Ewan ko sa iyo, baka...
Baka may gusto pa ako mamaya. Sige, thank you. Nice. Alright. Nandito na yung pagkain, bro. Hindi natin ang paminta.
Hi, sir.
Mamaya na ba? Save natin ito. Itlog. Extra protein. Excited na ako, bro. Kailangan check natin. Dagdag ako ng sili. Boom. Tokot baboy. Check natin. More pepper. Ito siguro sauce. Lalagay ko na dito sa tokwa. Boom. Alright. Tikman natin itong lumpia. I'm doing it, bro. Sarap nito, man. Saktong-sakto sa malamig na panahon. Oh. Lagyan natin yung tokwa sa lugaw. Ah. Saya bro. Sarap nito. Enjoy lang. Toge break. Boom. Sarap. Napawisan na ako, men. Oh. Ay, take out po ko ng dalawang plain lugaw, tsaka po dalawang order pa ng takwat baboy, please.
Dalawang plain lugaw. Ano take away din ako?
Take out po.
Take out din ako.
Tsaka po dalawang takwat baboy, please. And then, yung bill na rin po. Thank you.
Dalawang plain lugaw, sir.
Apa.
Saka dalawang tokwa baboy, sir.
Yes, please.
Ito na lang, sir. Dalawang plain lugaw, dalawang tokwa baboy.
Apa. Thank you. Hindi pala nagre-record. Anyway, funny. So, great success. Masarap yung lugaw. And masarap yung takwat baboy. Masarap yung lumpiang toge. And nag-take away ako ng dalawang order pa ng plain lugaw tsaka dalawang order ng takwat baboy. Dito lang malapit nakatira yung lola ko. So, baka gusto nila ng merienda. Anyway, I think I'm gonna leave it there for now, man. I'll see you next time, yeah? Have a good day.